kindergarten, let's do our first practice problem. I'll do the step in the red box, and then the video will stop, and you'll do the same step in the red box on your iPad. Let's follow the directions. Color some blocks orange. Get my color here. Color some blocks orange and the rest yellow to make 10. All of the yellow blocks fell off the table. How many blocks are left? Let's start with this. Okay, color some blocks orange. I'm going to color 4 blocks orange and the rest yellow. Okay, all the rest of my blocks are yellow. We said that 4 of the blocks were orange, so let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rest are yellow. How many is that if we're making 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many do we have in all? Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We said we were making 10. So we have them all. Okay, let's pause this and you will do the same step on your iPad.